Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can capitalize all letters in Microsoft Excel without using a formula. So let's go quick into the process. First is we just need to open Microsoft Excel. So I have prepared this table for you, and as you can see, we have words from here, numbers obviously. So actually you can transform all letters into capital letters using a formula, but what if you are not going to use a formula? If you don't know the formula, then how can you convert the letters into capital letters? So it's just very easy, do not worry about that. First is just have to select all the text by selecting the cell or the row or the line or the column that you want to transform into capital letters. Then here you'll find the Home tab at the ribbon. So click on the Home tab. And here you'll find the font. Click on its drop down arrow. And what you can do is you just need to simply choose the font that has all capital letters. Okay? You just need to simply scroll down from here and look for the font that has all capital letters. And there are a lot from here that you can choose from. Okay? So you have here this one, copper plate, gothic, bold. And as you can see, they all turned into capital letters. If you want any other font, you just have to simply choose the font that has all capital letters. You have here for this one, Hill Sans Ultra Bold Condensed. And that's it. If you want to look for more, you just need to simply scroll down and look for a font that has all capital letters in it. And you can also and you can just simply find that from here. There's no problem for that. So there is a lot from here. Okay. This one. That's it. And then you also have this one. Okay, so that's just it. You just have to simply look for the font that has all capital letters. And then your letters in the Microsoft Excel will turn into all capital letters without using a formula. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.